Bonjour everyone and welcome on in. Today I'm going to teach you how to install FL Studio on Linux. I'm going to use the Lutris method. There's plenty of other ones floating around out there, but this is the one I personally like. If you're an aspiring musician who's looking for a reliable and proven digital audio workstation, FL Studio is a fantastic choice. Unfortunately, there's no native Linux version, so we're going to have to use Wine to run the software. It's also not free software. If you're coming from Windows and already have a license, you'll be all set. If not, you're gonna need to buy a license or run it in free trial mode. But anyway, I digress. Let's get started with how to install FL Studio. First, you're going to need to launch Lutris. Go to the app menu, type in Lutris, open it up. In the top left-hand corner, hit the plus sign to add a game. Then, search Lutris website for installers. Type in FL Studio. Hit enter. Select the bottom option, FL Studio. Then select the middle option. Hit install. Choose a location to install it to. I'm just going to use the default for demonstration purposes, but you can make it whatever you'd like. If you'd like to add an application shortcut on the app menu, that's great. You can do that, and the desktop, and anywhere else you need it. When you're ready here, click continue. It's going to tell you what it's going to download and install. These are fine. Just click install in the top right. It's going to set up the Wine prefix for you. Give it a few minutes, depending on the speed of your computer, etc. And then it's going to pop up with the installer. Just click next. You agree. Remember, you agreed to this. Next. 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 And next again. And one more time for good measure. Now let FL Studio do its thing and install. And after a little bit, move on to the next phase. I'll read this to explain. Now that the installation is finished, click on Next, Next, and Finish. Now the script will do the rest of its thing. If the script hangs at any point, we'll have to kill the Wine server process as shown here. To do that, go into your system monitor. Go to processes, you can search for it, Wine server. All you have to do is send the kill signal by right-clicking, going to kill, and going to forcibly end the process. Then you can close out of here, and your script will continue. Don't worry, it won't break anything. It just needs to have everything running in the Wine prefix closed down before it continues to do its changes and things. Nothing to panic about. And after what feels like an eternity, even on the fastest of machines, the script will finish. You can either close this or launch directly from here. I'm going to close it so you can see FL Studio in the library. It does not have a banner here, but that's fine. It does have icons and such, as you can see with the one it added to my desktop, even though I told it not to. Whatever. And from here in your library, just hit play. And boom, you're into FL Studio. And I'm just gonna run the trial version, so I'm just gonna close all this gubbins. Hit okay, 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 okay. Close out of here, and I'll give you a bit of a demonstration to make sure it works. So give us a beat, give us a fat beatsies. Yeah, now we're talking. There we go. Yeah, now we're talking. Hells yeah. As you can see, FL Studio works. You can close out of that when you're done with it. You can do everything you need to do in it, and you're good to go. And don't forget, FL Studio's not free, so you're going to have to buy a license at some point. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, share it with your friends. Maybe they need it. Let me know what you thought in a comment, leave a like, and if you haven't yet, also subscribe. And I'll be back with more fun how-to videos, including one directly related to this one, and how to install native instruments, VSTs, and instruments so that you can use them with FL Studio and native Linux DAWs like Reaper. So stick around for that one when it eventually shows up. And have a great day.